So our hotel has a direct access to the BTS. And it's covered, which is cool, because it does rain here a lot. The plan is to take the SkyTrain down one stop and go to the temples. We're so excited. So we are at the BTS, our first ride on the BTS. Right, so our very helpful concierge at our hotel give us directions how to get to the boat to get to the temples. So we are at the BTS Sursat, and we just got to go one stop over. We got our rabbit card so that we can ride the BTS as many times as we want. And yeah, this is gonna be exciting.
So what is the BTS again?
It is the SkyTrain.
SkyTrain.
Yeah,
so
they do. Yeah, they do have a subway system. It's called the MRT. They're totally different systems. The subway system is run by the government, and the SkyTrain is run by a private company. So it's very, very interesting.
Did you notice how clean it was?
It is super clean here. Like, not even a bad smell anywhere. Like, it's crazy. So we're just waiting for the SkyTrain. So excited.
Here it comes.
Next station, สะพานตากสิน
Okay, one of the first rules of Fight Club is to not admit that there is a Fight Club. Any tourist area you go through in the world, there's always going to be somebody trying to sell you some overpriced tour stuff. We got offered a 2-hour tour for 2,000 baht, which is about 60 US dollars. But we went to the actual pier over here. We got an all-day river pass, and these were 150 baht per person. So I want to say it's like what, $10 each. But yeah. So work to the wise. Go to the professional tourist places and get a real ticket. And watch out for the scammers. But we're over here in the queue waiting on a boat, and gonna go check out some temples. So we're on the ferry, getting ready to go to some of the temples over here. What are your thoughts so far, man?
I love the breeze right now.
Yeah, it is warm. It's kind of like, I won't say like in the 90s, but humidity, like I told Wanda, is like 200%. But we love it. It's coming up from Florida. But yeah, it's so cool. Like I say, this all-day taxi, $4.50 American USD. And it's all day, so there's so much to explore and see over here. And we're just all going to soak it in and try to show you as much as we can.
god, we have arrived at our first temple, Wat Arun. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely beautiful. My goodness.
This is why we came to Bangkok right here. Just look at this. It's 300 years old. It's just incredible. And the beautiful tourist we have over here. All right, we are just at one of the temples, and what are they called over here?
Wat Arun.
Wat Arun. We took the on and off,
Hop on, hop off.
hop on, hop off ferry boat over here.
Yeah.
So yeah, we highly recommend doing that. Just you don't have to necessarily take a tour. Just take the hop on, hop off. All the temples and a lot of your tourist attractions are along the river. So I think we paid what
About $5 US.
$5 US each for an all-day ticket. But yeah, this temple is amazing. We are just overwhelmed.
Yeah, most of the temples are free, but not the touristy ones. So like this one, you had to pay 200 baht to get in, which is what?
Yeah, $5. Because our tickets were 200 baht.
Yeah, probably $6 or $7
Yeah.
to get in. It includes a bottle of water.
Yeah.
So that's good. You need water. Hydrate.
It is real. They're not lying about the humidity over here. So, and we're coming from Florida. I'm feeling.
But this is so worth it. It just, my eyes welled up when I saw it. It's so beautiful. We're just taking a breather before we climb the stairs.
Yeah, the pictures and videos don't do it justice. It's just, yeah, there's something comes over you once you get off that boat and yeah, get over here. But yeah, follow along with us. We're gonna go try to see the reclining Buddha later. A couple more temples, and still got a bunch of stuff going on today. You know, it's our first day.
But the boat was really nice. Seeing the city from the boat.
Yeah, do the hop on, hop off. There are tours out there that cost a little bit more money, but you get better value for your money if you do the hop on, hop off. You can check stuff out at your own leisure, but definitely don't pass on all these temples. This is just a few of them we're going to explore today and the next couple days. But we'll check in with you in a little bit. Bye. Years old.
Legend represent the great king presiding each country. Vabbè, però in realtà
All right, we're getting ready to go across the river on the water taxi. It's different than the hop on, hop off, but it gets us where we want to go. It was 10 baht each, so it was like, what, 5 cents? But yeah, here we go. Yes, baby.
We're so hot. Look how red we are.
I know.
It's a short ride, but it's a great breeze.
Yes.
That sounds better. Oh, cool. Have ice pop. But you probably can't go in there with drinks. It's got the technique. You're silly. All right, come on. That's enough. So before you go into the temple, you have to take off your shoes. And here they give you a bag to carry your shoes. Good idea.
It's the reclining Buddha.
Oh wow. Look at him. He's beautiful. I mean, huge. Look at his feet. There are bronze bowls in the Wat representing the 108 auspicious characters of Buddha. Visitors can purchase a bowl of coins for 20 baht and drop the coins in these bowls, as it is believed to bring good fortune, and it also helps the monks to maintain the Wat.
Okay, where are we at, baby?
Wat Pho.
And what's the significance of this place?
It has the reclining Buddha statue. It's massive. I don't know about measurements, but maybe 40, 50 feet long.
Yeah, we did get some good pictures and videos. How are you feeling in here? I am just awestruck.
Overwhelmed.
Yeah.
I mean, we've seen these places on video for so long, and to be here is surreal.
Yeah, it is. Would you recommend coming to Bangkok?
Yes, totally worth the flight.
Yes. If you want to experience stuff like this, you have to get out of your comfort zone. And yeah, we were uncomfortable for about 24 hours. But, oh my God, it is worth it.
I'm uncomfortable now. It's hot.
Yeah, this is halfway around the world, and it's something you can only see over here. I mean, this is the real deal.
It's just beautiful. You just got to do it.
Yeah. So we're going to take some more video and head back to the hotel sometime soon and cool off and change clothes. And
Yes, chill out for the rest of the day.
exactly. All right. We'll see y'all later. Bye. Drinks and snacks. The executive lounge, right? So from 5 to 7,
5:30 to 7.
5:30 to 7. Snack break.
What an incredible day. Up next, we continue our exploration of Bangkok with a visit to see dragons.